Types of data collection methods. Data collection methods can be categorized into primary and secondary methods. 1. Primary data collection methods. Primary data is collected from first-hand experience and is not used in the past. The data gathered by primary data collection methods are highly accurate and specific to the research's motive. Primary data collection methods can be divided into two categories, quantitative and qualitative. Let's learn them in details. Quantitative methods. Quantitative techniques use statistical tools to forecast demand based on historical data. They are commonly used for long-term predictions and are considered reliable due to minimal subjectivity. Time series analysis. A time series refers to a sequential order of values of a variable, known as a trend, at equal time intervals. Using patterns, an organization can predict the demand for its products and services over a projected time period. Smoothing techniques. Smoothing techniques can be used in cases where the time series lacks significant trends. They eliminate random variation from the historical demand, helping identify patterns and demand levels to estimate future demand. The most common methods used in smoothing demand forecasting are the simple moving average and weighted moving average methods. Barometric method, also known as the leading indicators approach. Researchers use this method to speculate future trends based on current developments. When past events are considered to predict future events, they act as leading indicators. Qualitative methods. Qualitative data collection methods are especially useful when historical data is unavailable or when numbers or mathematical calculations are unnecessary. Qualitative research is closely associated with words, sounds, feelings, emotions, colors, and non-quantifiable elements. These techniques are based on experience, judgment, intuition, conjecture, emotion, etc. Quantitative methods do not provide the motive behind participants' responses, often don't reach underrepresented populations, and require long periods of time to collect the data. Hence, it is best to combine quantitative methods with qualitative methods. 1. Surveys. Surveys collect data from the target audience and gather insights into their preferences, opinions, choices, and feedback related to their products and services. Most survey software offers a wide range of question types. You can also use a ready-made survey template to save time and effort. Online surveys can be customized to match the business's brand by changing the theme, logo, etc. They can be distributed through several channels, such as email, website, offline app, QR code, social media, etc. 2. Polls. Polls comprise one single or multiple choice question. They are useful when you need to get a quick pulse of the audience's sentiments. Because they are short, it is easier to get responses from people. 3. Interviews. In face-to-face interviews, the interviewer asks a series of questions to the interviewee in person and notes down responses. If it is not feasible to meet the person, the interviewer can go for a telephone interview. This form of data collection is suitable for only a few respondents. It is too time-consuming and tedious to repeat the same process if there are many participants. 4. Delphi technique. In the Delphi method, market experts are provided with the estimates and assumptions of other industry experts' forecasts. Based on this information, experts may reconsider and revise their estimates and assumptions. The consensus of all experts on demand forecasts constitutes the final demand forecast. 5. Focus groups. Focus groups are one example of qualitative data in education. In a focus group, a small group of people, around 8 to 10 members, discuss the common areas of the research problem. Each individual provides his or her insights on the issue concerned. A moderator regulates the discussion among the group members. At the end of the discussion, the group reaches a consensus. 6. Questionnaire. A questionnaire is a printed set of open-ended or closed-ended questions that respondents must answer based on their knowledge and experience with the issue. The questionnaire is part of the survey, whereas the questionnaires' end goal may or may not be a survey. 7. Digsite. Digsite is a purpose-built platform for conducting fast and flexible qualitative research, enabling users to understand the whys behind consumer behavior. With Digsite, businesses can efficiently recruit targeted participants and gather rich qualitative insights through various methods, such as live video interviews, polls, and focus groups. 2. Secondary data collection methods. Secondary data is data that has been used in the past. The researcher can obtain data from the data sources, both internal and external, to the organizational data. Internal sources of secondary data. Organizations' health and safety records, mission and vision statements, financial statements, magazines. Sales report, CRM software, executive summaries. External sources of secondary data. Government reports, press releases, business journals, libraries, Internet. Secondary data collection uses both quantitative and qualitative methods. It is easily available, less time-consuming, and cheaper than primary data, but its authenticity may be uncertain. Regardless of the method used, clear communication with decision-makers is essential so they understand and act on the results. Proper analysis and presentation are also crucial to ensure the data is useful and effective.